Welcome back, everyone. Sometimes dining out is just about the food, but often it's about the experience. There's a new drop-dead gorgeous spot in Houston that offers both. What a stunner! A spacious, gorgeous dining room where French charm meets up with Asian flair. This is Le Colonial, the new kid on the block and one of the most exciting dining destinations in the country.
Feels like you're in tropical France.
It does. It feels like a movie, like the Saigon of the 1920s when the French moved in. Here, fine dining sizzles with international flair in a lush, inviting space, ideal for an intimate dinner or a posh power lunch. Le Colonial sports two beautiful bars, perfect for people watching or lingering with friends. Upstairs, there's an elegant balcony with a tropical patio that offers a dazzling view. This attention to detail, all by design.
It's about transporting people into an era where France was actually in Vietnam. So the French loved Vietnamese food because of the complexity.
Here, vibrant Vietnamese flavors shine. Take, for example, the Suon Nuong, tender and juicy baby back ribs, grilled with a lemongrass-garlic rub and finished with a sweet, rich honey glaze. All perched on a bed of cabbage and topped with scallions and chopped peanuts to add another layer of texture and flavor.
What up?
The chow tom is delicious. A delectable shrimp mousse wrapped around a sugarcane stick, then grilled. It's served with a peanut plum dipping sauce. One of my favorite dishes at Le Colonial is a ravioli, but not the kind you're used to. At Le Colonial, the raviolis are light, delicate pasta pillows filled with chicken and finished with a scrumptious chili lime garlic sauce. Talk about a chef's life coming full circle. Award-winning Vietnamese cookbook author and culinary instructor Nicole Routier was contemplating retirement. Then the call came to create the Houston Le Colonial menu, something she was already very familiar with. Did you ever in your wildest imagination think you'd be back in a kitchen?
No, never. I was ready to retire, to tell you the
How
truth.
fun though. More than 20 years ago, Routier wrote the menu for the first Le Colonial in New York City.
I have settled here in Houston for the past 20 years, and somehow they found me.
You were that good.
And talked me into going back into the business, and I said, well, that sounds really exciting, so why not? This is my my life's work, and but it's nice to see that it is featured in such a beautiful setting, and we are now the 21st century, so this is my chance to take Vietnamese cuisine one step further and make it look more modernized a little bit.
Modern indeed, and incredibly fresh. Her passion shows. Another example, the tom sao sauté. Another tantalizing treat at Le Colonial. Texas Gulf shrimp tossed with asparagus, scallions, and onions in a spicy sauté sauce. Or the cow naan, grilled Atlantic salmon and asparagus topped with mesclun greens and a minted mango sauce. Le Colonial offers a wonderful wine list too, many of them French, each purposefully picked to complement these authentic Vietnamese flavors. One of the most popular dishes on the menu are the summer rolls, a raw version of spring rolls.
It's very easy to do. Basically, it's a rolled salad.
The process starts by moistening the rice paper, then layering ingredients, rice noodles, poached shrimp.
And the next ingredient is shredded carrot. Most Vietnamese people don't use carrots, but I love carrot.
Is that an American addition, do you think? The carrot?
French.
Oh, French. Then bean sprouts and fresh herbs. Finally, a taste. Fantastic. The mint and the cilantro, and your sauce is incredible. An explosion of herbal flavors. You'll just have to visit Lake Colonial to try for yourself. Hi everybody, for the holidays, we're cooking in my kitchen and I'm so excited to have the culinary director for HEB, chef extraordinaire, Scott Tompkins, cooking up something really cool for holiday parties,
yes,
right?
we are. Yes, we are. Thanks for having me so much. This is a beautiful kitchen. A beautiful
Thank you.
space. It's
Thanks.
very nice. So we're doing octopus. So yeah, it's kind of a fun way to like, really change up your holiday party rather than just doing, Christmas cookies. Why not throw a little octopus out
Little
there for 'em?
octopus for your guests.
That's right. So it's actually very easy to cook. All we've done is take a big pot of boiling water, and it's about sauteed 4 cups of water. We do a whole bottle of white wine because it's the holidays, so you gotta have that extra flair in there. We do a little bit of the vinegar just to give it some bite, and then just all the aromatics. So the thyme, you can really get creative and do whatever you want with it, but I like lemons, onions, garlic, obviously fresh thyme, but you can do bay leaves, you can do...
Okay, just give it some
more or less.
flavor.
Exactly, we're just making a really flavorful liquid. So we've gone ahead and cooked one. So this is the exact same octopus, and look how much it's shrunk up. So obviously, it does a lot during the actual boiling process, but this has now got a lot of flavor in it. And you can go ahead and turn on our heat. We'll go ahead and do this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it up. So for a party, Tanji, honestly, you could make them as big or as little as you like. And obviously the bigger you get to the center here, you can kind of make them a little smaller, but these are fun to have like, just as little pieces that get all crispy.
Oil's ready to go?
Yes, oil is shimmering, we're ready to go. Here, we're just gonna toss these guys in. We'll turn up the heat, we'll just get them crispy. So we got those, we're gonna throw in our olives. Those are our queen stuffed olives. Just for a little salty bite as well. All right, a little smoked paprika. This is the kind of cooking you can do with a glass of wine in one hand. That's kind of like my
That's
favorite
my
kind of thing.
kind of
That's right. And then just spoon and go.
You add in,
Yes,
you
please.
drizzle with
Yes,
olive oil
absolutely.
a little bit?
Really, really yummy. And I'll just squeeze a little more lemon juice over here. Just
Look
to
at
give it
that.
a little-
What could be simpler, right?
That's exactly right. And there you
Shall
go.
we?
Bon appetit.
Bon
And then
appetit.
olives.
Yeah, get that olive. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays, you. Thanks for having me.
Got the recipe online and it is fantastic.
Isn't that good? Really tender.
Oh man. My wine finds are coming up, but first, we're going green, both in the kitchen and at the bar with surprising Come right back. Good Taste with Tanji is brought to you in part by HEB.